Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get your App Store back on your iPhone. So if you're browsing through your iPhone and you cannot see the App Store, and also when you're doing a search in the app library, the App Store is not visible, then let me show you a step which you can take to bring back your App Store. So as you can see, I've done a search here and only I can see the Apple Store. I cannot see the App Store. So let me show you how we can bring back the App Store. So first you want to go ahead and go to settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see screen time. Now you want to scroll down again until you see content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Now from here, go ahead and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. From here, as you can see, installing, deleting, and in-app purchases all are set to don't allow. So someone has basically done this so that the App Store gets hidden. Now you need to go ahead and change that to allow for all of them. Now once you do this and you go back to your home screen, you'll see the App Store appear back again. So if I do a search, and there you go. So let's go ahead and bring this App Store back to the home screen. And there you go guys, that is how to get the App Store back on your iPhone home screen. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.